We are the group that will present a video tutorial about switch statement. Now, let's talk about what is switch statement. A switch statement allows the variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Each value is called a case, and the variable being switched on is checked for each case.
There are following rules applied to a switch statement. First, the variable used in a switch statement can only be integers, convertible integers, byte, short, char, strings, and enums. Second, you can have any number of case statements within a switch. Each case is followed by the value to be compared to and a colon. Third, the value for a case must be the same data type as the variable in the switch, and it must be a constant or a literal. Fourth, when the variable being switched on is equal to a case, the statements following that case will execute until a break statement is reached. Fifth, when a break statement is reached, the switch terminates, and the flow of control jumps to the next line following the switch statement. Sixth, not every case needs to contain a break. If no break appears, the flow of control will fall through the subsequent cases until a break is reached. 7. A switch statement can have an optional default case, which must appear at the end of the switch. The default case can be used for performing a task when none of the cases is true. No break is needed in the default case.
Terminal or the starting point of the flowchart. Next is the expression of or the process of the program. Then there is the first decision statement. If case 1 is the true, it will execute the statement number 1. Then break to terminate the program, then quickly goes to the ending point. If the case value 1 is false, it will go to the second decision or case value n or any number of cases. If all the cases are false, it will go to the default and then display as default statement, and the program will end.
First, we make a Java class, public class switch demo1. Then, type public static void main, open parenthesis, string array args, close parenthesis. So, then, open brace. Next, we declare int month is equal to 1. And we declare a string variable month string. Now we put the switch statement. Switch month. Open brace. Now, for our case 1, we input month string that is equal to the statement January. Then break to terminate the case 1. Then for the default, we put a invalid statement. output system out println. Variable man string. Then run the program. The variable we declare which was man 1. So the program automatically inputted 1 and an output is given which is January.
This is sample program 2. First, we make Java class public class month switch. Then import java.util.asterisk. Next, static scanner console new scanner system.in. And then public static void main string args. Then int month switch. For the output, system.out print enter the month number. Then month switch console.next int. Then system.out.print in. For switch month switch. Then case 1 system.out.print in January. Then break. As you can see, I have case 12. Then default. The default is invalid number. Then I run the program. Then enter the number 1 to 12. And let's try number 5. And the output is May. Let's rerun. Then let's try number 13. The output is invalid number.